Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Success Scout. Today we are going to teach you about two different fulfillment options which are available on Amazon. Amazon FBA and Amazon FBM are two different fulfillment options for sellers on the Amazon marketplace. Now let's move towards the advantages and disadvantages of both methods. Let's start with the advantages of Amazon FBA. Stress-free fulfillment. Amazon takes care of the storage, shipping, and handling of your products, which frees up your time and energy to focus on other aspects of your business. Prime eligibility. FBA products are eligible for Amazon Prime, which means your products will get free two-day shipping for the Prime members. Improved customer service. Amazon handles customer service for FBA products, which can improve your customer satisfaction ratings. Access to international markets. FBA allows you to sell your products on Amazon marketplaces in other countries, which can increase your sales potential. Now let's discuss disadvantages of Amazon FBA. Higher fees. FBA fees can be higher than FBM fees, which can eat into your profit margins. Second, limited control. You have less control over packaging and shipping of your product with FBA, which can be disadvantage if you have specific packaging requirements or want to add special touches to your shipments. Third, long-term storage fees. If your products don't sell within a certain time frame, you may be subject to long-term storage fees. FBM stands for Fulfillment by Merchant. You have more control over packaging and shipping of your products, which can be an advantage if you have some specific requirements and you want to add special touches to your shipments. Lower fees. FBM fees are generally lower than FBA fees, which can improve your profit margins. It also adds flexibility to your business. With FBM, you can fulfill orders from multiple sale channels, which gives you more flexibility in your business operation. With FBM, sellers handle their own products, storing and shipping them directly to customers when orders are placed. FBM sellers are responsible for their own customer service, returns, and exchange, while FBM gives sellers more control over the fulfillment process. It can also be more time consuming and costly than FBA. Now let's discuss advantages of Amazon FBM. You have more control over packaging and shipping of your products, which can be an advantage if you have some specific requirements and you want to add special touches to your shipments. Lower fees. FBM fees are generally lower than FBA fees, which can improve your profit margins. It also adds flexibility to your business. With FBM, you can fulfill orders from multiple sale channels, which gives you more flexibility in your business operation. Now let's discuss some disadvantages of Amazon FBM. More work. FBM requires more work on your part, as you are responsible for storage, shipping, and handling of your products. Second, no Prime eligibility. FBM products are not eligible for Amazon Prime, which can be a disadvantage if your customers value fast shipping. Limited international reach. FBM limits your ability to sell your products on Amazon marketplaces in other countries, which can limit your sales potential. Overall, the decision to use FBA or FBM depends on sellers' business needs and goals. FBA may be a good option for sellers who want to streamline their fulfillment process and take advantage of Amazon's customer base, while FBM may be a better option for sellers who want more control over fulfillment process and are willing to handle their own customer service. So guys, this was for today. If you like this type of content, please subscribe our channel, turn on the bell icon so you stay updated from our latest uploads. Goodbye.